Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Johnathon. I make videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today I have a very special unboxing. One of my orders from the Takashi Murakami 2026 collection is finally here. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. So I was kind of surprised that my order just finally arrived. I ordered this back in December of 2025, thinking that it would arrive for launch time. However, this is the only one order out of the 4 that I've placed for Murakami, and they're all still pending order validation, which I thought was quite interesting. So I was given a lead time of 7 to 9 weeks in December. So I would have assumed that the pre-orders would have given us the ability to get these for launch, but it's fine. I have at least one of the pieces, and it is one of the ones that I was most excited for. Also, if you're not new to my channel, you're going to know that this video is going up on a different day than I usually post. I put up a community post on my YouTube asking all of you guys if you wanted me to post my video early, or if you wanted me to wait for all of my Murakami pieces to arrive and then just do one collective unboxing. Majority of you all just wanted me to do the unboxing, so that is what we're doing. So let's get into it. So I did pick this item up in store, and honestly, this was one of the items that I wanted from the 2025 collection. So this is not going to be a new silhouette. Some of my other orders are new silhouettes, so don't worry, I did get some of those. However, this one I tried to pre-order back in December 2024, but had no luck doing so. And then in January, I also tried to place an order. It was not successful in any way. So now that I have it here, it's like it was meant to be. So let's just go ahead and open it up. I've already seen it, as I mentioned. I did pick this up in store, so we're just gonna go ahead and open her up. Any guesses as to what I picked up? So it comes in this dust bag here, and I will let you know it is a handbag. And the item that I got was the Nano Speedy in white multicolor. So I really wanted this bag when the launch came out last year. However, I could not get my hands on it. When I think of Murakami, this bag is probably up there along with the pochette accessoires. So that's why I realistically wanted to have this into my collection. And to be fair, when I wasn't able to pick this up, I was at a little bit of purse piece with it, and I did fully accept the fact that I might not be able to add this into my collection. But when my sales associate and Matt D74 dropped the lookbook, I was immediately shocked and asked my sales associate, "We need to get our hands on this," and she came through. Honestly, it is so adorable. I'm just at a loss of words. So it comes with a removable and adjustable strap, which is on the inside, which I am perfectly fine with. Happy that they made it removable and adjustable, just so that way it gives us some flexibility. And I love the little key bell that is on it. If you do have a set of locking keys, you can put your key inside of the little key ring that is shown inside the bell. I personally will not be doing that. I'll just let it hang on the side like this. And a little bit of a spoiler, I did order some bandeaus so I can put them on the handle. Very curious to see how that will look like on here. I'm just super excited now for the rest of my orders to arrive. I also wanted to quickly mention that when I went in store and picked this piece up, I immediately looked at the stamping inside, just because I had done a short the other day saying that for this 2026 collection, Louis Vuitton removed the mentioning of the 20th anniversary celebration. However, I was pleasantly surprised to see that they actually have that included in this stamp here. So I don't know if this is just an overstock from last year, or if Louis Vuitton is remaking these bags but including that on the stamp. So I'm very curious to see what the new silhouettes have. So I will definitely keep you guys updated. I'm wondering if the website is just showing that it's not making any markings, but they did put it on there. So Hopefully they do, because I know a lot of you also agreed with me that you would prefer the 20th celebration mention on the plaque. It just makes it a little bit more special. So I was very pleasantly surprised when I opened this bag up and the plaque had that on there. So now I am very, very happy. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.